Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this very cute headband. This is just very simple and very easy to do. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this Alice Diva baby yarn, my 2.5mm crochet hook. We have our needle, scissor, and the elastic. This is from Daiso and this is the cotton one. I already started my bow. As I said, the link on this video is on the description box below and on the iCard. So if you are on your last round, you will just slip stitch. And then make a slip stitch again on those two double crochet and on the chain 2 space, and then make your chain 3. Turn your work and you're going to make 1 double crochet on the next double crochet. And you're going to skip this double crochet and the rest of this double crochet on our group of double crochet here, and you're going to make your group of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the chain 2 space. And again, you are going to skip these 2 double crochets. So you're going to skip these 2 and double crochet on this 3rd one. Double crochet on the 3rd one and on the chain 2 space. So make a chain of 3. Turn your work, double crochet on the 2nd double crochet that you made, go into the chain 2 space, make your 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So chain 3 again, turn your work. You will be doing the same thing until you reach the length that you require for your headband. So you will just continue doing these 2 double crochets on the side and our shell stitch in the middle. And then when you reach the length that you require to do for the headband, you will just stop, cut, slip stitch, cut your yarn, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So the head circumference for 1 to 3 years old is 18 to 20, and the headband size recommended is 15 to 17. So if I will be making 16 inches headband for a 1.5-year-old girl, so 16 minus 4 is 12. So both sides should be 6. But I have to take in consideration as well the elastic band that I'm going to use. So maybe 5.5 will do. So I will take this off. I will make it until here only. So this one is more or less 6. So one more. I will take out one more. So I will do the same thing on the other side. So I will just go ahead and slip stitch on this one and cut my yarn. And we're going to do on the other side. So we make a slip knot. And we're going to attach on the chain 2 space. Make sure that you're doing it on both sides, on the same sides. So we slip stitch and chain 3. Do another double crochet and make our shell on the chain 2 space. So now our bow is ready. So we need to take out our elastic. You can just eye on the length. This is about 2.5, more than 2.5 inches. And this is the front of our headband. See, there is the opening in here. Just we're going to take the long sides and we're going to put our elastic. And we're going to take our needle and thread and we're going to sew in together our elastic. Now that it is secure, we can cut our excess and our thread. What you can do so that our elastic won't be moving, you can sew this one just in the middle. You can just go back and forth one or twice, and then tie a knot to make it secure, and then do it on the other side. And cut your thread. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy crocheting. Stay safe, everyone, and God bless.